There are many types of people in the world, each with their own unique abilities and sometimes disabilities. The book Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus is an amazing portrayal of people with disabilities, not just their disability, but the people who they are underneath. With a tantalizing mystery set in the dry desert of Arizona, a peppy main character, and a lighthearted tone, Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus is uplifting and reminds us all how to be kind. The story begins with an introduction of Avon Green, a girl who was born without her arms. We soon learn that Avon's family moved from Arizona to Kansas to manage a broken-down fair. Avon is ready for the heat and the desert, but one thing she is not ready for is 8th grade. In Kansas, she was accepted by all, but in her new school, she gets weird looks and whispers as she walks in the hallways. Nevertheless, she manages to get herself two friends, Connor and Zion, each with their own disabilities. Together, they work to uncover a mystery in the fair and learn a lot about themselves along the way. Insignificant Events in the Life of a Cactus is an inspiring book, to say the least. Everything about Avon is simply awe-inspiring, her determination and exuberance, and most of all, her kindness. If you've read and enjoyed Out of My Mind by Sharon Draper and Wonder by R.J. Palacio, then this book is a must-read for you. Out of 10, I rate this book a 10.